Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to boot Windows into safe mode. Okay, so very easy method to click to start and type run. After that, open it and then type ms config. Okay, ms config and then click to press enter. Then click to OK. It's okay. After that, it will come like that, and then you have to click to boot. And after that, check this safe boot. Okay, safe boot and minimal. Okay, minimal safe boot. Okay, so it will check the network, so it will come the safe mode with the networking. Okay, yeah, then apply to OK, and after that you will restart, and then it will open 100% in the soft safe mode. Okay, thank you.